filming for online productions during lockdown. This video will provide some useful tips to help you film yourself during lockdown. There are 3 main ways you can easily create content: recording via your phone or tablet camera, recording through your computer, and recording through Zoom on your phone, tablet, or computer. Out of the 3 methods, your phone or tablet camera is preferable, as it will likely be a higher definition and look good. Here are some things to keep in mind before filming. Firstly, when recording your video, try and use a tripod or another steadying method. No matter how steady your hands are, nothing beats using a good old-fashioned tripod, or at least something that will support your recording device. It is important when propping up a phone or tablet to not only have something supporting the back, but also the front. This will allow you to angle your camera and also prevent your device from slipping. If this is not your cup of tea, you could shoot it like a selfie. In this case, keep the phone shooting in landscape, close to your body, and rest your elbows on a nearby object, using your body to absorb bounces and shakes. This will help keep your video looking professional. Another thing to consider when using your phone or tablet is that you should try to avoid using the digital zoom. On most devices, the lens isn't zooming in optically, and you're instead just enlarging the picture digitally. This will affect the quality, and we can do less in the editing this end. If you want to get a close-up shot, move the phone closer. As any avid selfie taker will know, lighting is everything. When shooting your video, your footage will look best when you shoot with lots of light. If you're shooting indoors, it is best to shoot facing a window for ease of lighting, though also adding supplemental lighting will go a long way. It is not ideal to have a window as your background, as it will cast you into shadow and overexpose the video. Instead, try to have a neutral background where there isn't much on the wall. This will help to attract the viewer to you, not a nice photo of your dog behind you. The same goes for if you're filming outside. Though we are all experimenting with different hairstyles during lockdown, a tree growing out of your head is still not considered the best of looks. Phones and tablets will automatically focus and expose your shot, a great function for quick photos, but when you're shooting a video of one person talking to the camera, it can affect the picture by adjusting the light up and down and refocusing. This can lead to jittery looking footage. So, if you have an exposure and focus lock, you can use it to either lighten up your picture or darken it down. This will help to keep the focus and exposure constant throughout your shot. When positioning your recording device, remember, the more height the better. The higher you can place your recording device, the better you will appear on screen. We are used to looking each other in the eyes, so try and position the camera at eye level. Your phone or tablet's microphone was designed to work well up to an arm's length selfie taking, approximately 1 metre away. Any further and the sound will need to be pushed above good levels in the editing stage, and this will introduce noise. Please do not be afraid to be close to your camera and therefore microphone for good quality sound. It is useful to remember the rule of thirds. Imagine your screen is divided up into 3 sections, vertically and horizontally. Always keep your eyes in or near the top third zone. Where within the zone depends on the side you are on the screen. If you are looking out of screen right, keep your eyes in the top left and top middle thirds. If looking out of screen left, keep your eyes in the top middle and top right thirds. Adjust until you feel it is right and that it looks right to you. If you are using a larger screen, you can position your notes around the camera, helping to keep your eyes up, looking at the viewer as you are reading. This is more engaging, rather than looking down. It does not work as easily on your phone, but keep in mind when positioning your notes, just make sure to remember where both your mic and camera are situated. Though peace and quiet might be a forgotten luxury whilst in lockdown, try to record your video somewhere quiet. Background sounds, especially if shooting outside, can be a menace. If you are shooting outside and a noisy motorbike goes by, although your ears are able to filter it out from what you are saying at the time, playing back the recording later creates a different experience for the listener, as both sounds become intermingled. Their ears will hear them as one, and therefore the disruptive sound could interfere or disturb the listener as to take their mind off what you are saying, or simply prevent them from hearing you altogether. If this is the case, either start again or, more easily, just go back a few lines and repeat once the disturbance has fully subsided, and this can then be edited together later. When recording your video, try to leave 3 seconds before and after speaking. This will help with editing and make the transitions between shots cleaner and thus improve the quality of your video. Stay safe and happy filming!